Hi, welcome to Sattva Restore, your restorative yoga therapy break. Today we're going to need a couple blocks and a bolster or pillow to rest your body over into this forward fold. So we're going to work on head toward the knee pose. And as we come into a comfortable seat, we'll stretch our legs out. Notice if you're really far leaning back and you're not able to sit up straight in this L-shaped position, then you would want to take a blanket, fold it up, so that you can start to rotate the pelvis more forward. So you're on the ledge of that blanket and you're able to sit up straight. So that's what we want to get to first. And once you have that, we'll bring the right knee in and out to the side. So we want this right knee to be supported. You could take a block there or a bolster or a pillow and just ground that knee into the block. And then we'll take a bolster out in front of us or on top of that extended leg. I like it on top of that extended leg. So this might be enough for you. We want to feel a little bit of that proprioceptive awareness, so the awareness of our body in space. So the knee or the thigh to the floor if you have very open hips, or into some support underneath. And then something along your leg. You can just rest your hands there. And you want to start to fold a little bit forward so I can feel my belly into this bolster. So I know I'm tilting forward from the hips rather than reaching and arcing from my low back. So getting up and over the bolster. And this might be plenty for you today. Just trying to sit more upright and up and over slightly forward. So there's two key actions. Even though this is restorative yoga, and since it's yoga therapy, we still want to find a little bit of stability here. So this extended leg is going to pull back towards you, this action of pulling it in towards you, as the bent knee is going to be pressing down. And you never want to feel any tension in your knee, otherwise you might be going too far there. Good, and then when you're ready, you can just soften around those points of stability and breathe here. We're gonna hold for about a minute per side. This is a really great posture because we're doing a lot of different things at once. We're working that hip flexion and abduction through the bent leg. And we're breathing deep into the belly, so maybe you'll feel a little bit of shape change around the kidneys and adrenal glands for the calming effect. And there's even a slight little twist in the low belly to help bring out toxins and balance the blood sugar. And take your deep breaths. Breathing in and out through the nose. You can even make that ah sound, just relaxing into your body. Since this is possibly a little bit of a forward fold for you, if you're not still just working on getting upright, it's helpful to lengthen the exhalation, and this can be really good for managing pain as well. So let's try to inhale through the nose and exhale through pursed lips. Inhaling through the nose and exhale through pursed lips. Take about 5 more breaths, seeping into the posture. Just allowing gravity and your deeper breath and awareness bring you into this restoration. You might feel the grounding of the hips, the widening of the low back, the softening of the jaw, head, neck, and shoulders. Exhale completely after your 5th breath. And then inhale, slowly start to rise back up. And then we'll just bring that bent knee back in. I'm going to move to the other side. Notice any difference in temperature change or sensations between. One may feel heavier, one may feel lighter. And then we'll move to the other side. So go ahead and bend your other knee out to the side. And you might notice on one side the knee goes down, but maybe just take that support if you took it on the other side, just for that balance. And then up and over the bolster. You could also use blocks underneath your hands if you need more of that widening out through the head, neck, and shoulders. That would require kind of a lot of props, though, for your home practice, which is never a bad idea. Remember, you may be more upright, still trying to get up over that hip hinge, and then eventually you can walk your hands forward. Still that key action of drawing your extended leg back in towards your body as you ground the bent knee down. Breathe into your belly and feel that widening across the hips and low back. This is one of my favorites as well to do on a daily basis or almost every day. And breathing in through the nose, out through pursed lips. Keep your body over that right leg. Those actions of stability are going to help with that. Otherwise, you might start to roll kind of down toward the leg, and your left ribs will be rolling up and your left hip, or whatever side is bent for you. For me, it's the left. And just breathe here. Feel that sensation around the head, neck, and shoulders, the low back. A little bit of a caterpillar action of the front of the body, creeping over that extended leg. Soften in. Allow gravity to take you in and your presence, your awareness of that deepening of the breath, the life force energy within you. You can always stack your fists to rest your forehead down to make the pose more relaxing. We're staying more lifted through the heart and gazing forward for more of an uplifted mood. A few more breaths in and out. Breathing in and breathing out. Make sure you exhale completely. Ground down through your legs and inhale, rolling back up. And then you can stretch both legs out. Just notice how you feel as you return back into your starting position. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Vani with PranaYoga Insitute, and this is Sattva Restore, your restorative yoga therapy break. Namaste, everybody.